Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JE NEET. Subscribe the channel for updated videos. Today topic is carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds in that chemical properties. Lecture 2. In the lecture 1 already I uploaded. In this today aldol condensation we are going to discuss. What is that? Aldol condensation. For this aldol condensation, what are the requirements, what is the reactant, what is the product? Step by step we will discuss here. The aldehyde, which aldehyde? Which is having alpha hydrogen containing aldehyde in the presence of diluted NaOH or KOH, is giving beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Furtherly, by heating, it is producing alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds are forming. So I will write here one example. Suppose if I am taking acetaldehyde, 2 moles of acetaldehyde is reacting in the presence of diluted NaOH, I will get it here beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. See, this carbon is beta carbon hoga. This is the OH. Now this is the carbon ion is forming here. It is a carbon ion forming. I will show the mechanism. Now this is the CH2 C double bond OH. This carbon has one more hydrogen. This is the beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. It is a alpha carbon, it is a beta carbon, it is a gamma carbon. Okay, with respect of this functional group, next carbon is known as alpha carbon, then next beta, then gamma. So by heating one water molecule is releasing. Of course, 2 probabilities are there from this carbon and this carbon. Hydrogen can leave, but more substituted alkene is more stable. That's why here alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is forming. Here the first thing is more substituted alkene according to Markovnikov rule. As well here it is there in the conjugation, this pi bond, single bond, pi bond. That's why it is more stable. So that's why major compound is this one. Alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbon is forming. So now we can see here mechanism. See, first step, we are using here diluted NaOH. This diluted NaOH is the base. It is the base. OH minus is releasing. This OH minus is reacting with aldehyde and taking H plus and producing carbene ion. Carbene ion is producing here. Okay, here these alpha hydrogens are there. So these alpha hydrogens are active hydrogens. Why these are active hydrogens? In the last class already I explained you. Again one more time I will recall you. So I am writing here this hyperconjugation. For this I am writing hyperconjugation. I can write like this now. So CH2, see in the hyperconjugation what's happening here? This sigma bond is shifting here, this pi bond is shifting here. So here hydrogen is plus, then here double bond oxygen minus H. Okay, alpha hydrogens are involving in the hyperconjugation. See, this hydrogen is removed as H plus. Okay, So this type of hyperconjugation, due to this type of hyperconjugation, it is also known as no bond resonance. This is also known as no bond resonance. See here, because of this hyperconjugation, hydrogen is releasing as H plus. So this H plus and OH minus, here OH minus is waiting when the H plus will get. Okay, this OH minus ready to accept this H plus, so it is forming as a water molecule here. So finally, when this C minus is coming back, so CH2 minus carbon ion is forming. Now you understood carbon ion? Then it is step 1 over. It is a step 1. Step 1, carbon ion formation. Now this carbon ion acting as a nucleophile CH3 C double bond OH. One more aldehyde is there. Now this carbon ion is attacking on the carbonyl carbon. Okay, now you can see here CH3 C double bond O becomes O minus hydrogen. Now this downside I am writing this first aldehyde. This is the CH2 C double bond OH. You can see the color is right. So now what will happen? Already in the water it is separated water, H2O. Yes, this H2O is there. Then that H2O again it will come here, H2O. It is forming CH3 COH hydrogen and CH2 CHO. This is the beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound is forming. This beta hydroxy carbonyl compound by heating, so one water molecule is releasing one water molecule from this carbon. This is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon, this is the gamma carbon. Okay, from this alpha one hydrogen, here this beta OH group, CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. So this is the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is forming. Okay, this is the aldol condensation reaction. So you can see one more time again the mechanism, what's happening here. We are taking 2 moles. The OH minus is taking H plus from alpha position. This alpha position became carbon ion reacting with this carbonyl, one more aldehyde. Then with the water again it becomes OH. Later by heating it is removing water molecule and forming alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Okay, suppose if you take ketone CH3 C double bond O CH3, ketone is there, and one more ketone in the presence of diluted NaOH. What is the product? Very simple. I will tell you how to write the final product, alpha beta unsaturated. Just you take this oxygen and another carbonyl compound, alpha hydrogens, 2 alpha hydrogens. This is the alpha carbon, this is also alpha carbon. You can take any side, 2 hydrogens, here 1 oxygen. Just you remove the water molecule. What is the product here? See, CH3, here carbon is there, this is the double bond, the oxygen, and here 2 hydrogens. So 2 hydrogen left means only 1 hydrogen, this is the alpha carbon, then C double bond O CH3. Okay, this is the final product. So लेकिन here important point is, क्वेश्चन में ऐसा रहता है, एक फर्स्ट स्टेप में डाइल्यूटेड NaOH और डाइल्यूटेड OH माइनस ऐसा भी हो सकता है. The second step, whenever heat is given, this is the product. Whenever heat is given, this is the product. Suppose sometimes they don't give heat, only OH minus is given, only OH minus given. In that case, our product is beta hydroxy. If heat is given, that is alpha beta unsaturated. Alpha beta unsaturated. Suppose only OH minus is there, only OH minus is there, hydroxy, then beta hydroxy, the product will be beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. You can take here see same compound, this is the beta position, CH3, CH3, this carbon is there, CH, C double bond O, CH3. At this position, just you write one OH, here one more hydrogen. Okay, you can write this hydrogen above, or you can write here 2. You can write 2 here, that's enough. So over. It is the alpha carbon and beta carbon, beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Are you getting? So if heat is there, alpha beta unsaturated. If there is no heat, beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Like this you can write it. Now in the aldol condensation, one more important thing is crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol condensation में क्या है? One is aldehyde, the other one is, it may be ketone. Other one is ketone. In that case, what are the products? In that case, what are the products? So I am writing the final products. See here, we are taking 2 mole means it is the aldehyde, it is the ketone. So here aldehyde may react with aldehyde, aldehyde may react with ketone, then ketone may react with ketone. Okay, then ketone may react with aldehyde. So total 4 types of products are there. So first I am writing AA product. Already we discussed AA product. I am writing here CH3, CHO, and one more aldehyde is there, CH3, CHO. Aldehyde plus aldehyde. Aldehyde plus aldehyde. Here just you remove the water molecule. Okay. What is the final product here? CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHO. This is the one product. Next I am writing AK. So that means aldehyde plus ketone. Aldehyde plus ketone. Aldehyde plus ketone. Again here you can remove just water molecule, this H2O, just you remove. Here I am getting CH3, CH double bond, CH, C double bond O, CH3. See, these 2 compounds are different. Then I am writing K plus K, K plus K. So I can write it here K plus K. K plus K means ketone plus ketone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3, and again one more ketone is there, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Now just you remove this water molecule here, ketone plus ketone. So what is the product here? CH3, C double bond, CH double bond, this middle carbon, it has 2 methyl groups. Okay, it is completely different. You can see here, no one is there like that. Then again K plus A, this is also over. Now K plus A I am writing. First ketone, then aldehyde. CH3 C double bond to CH3, ketone plus aldehyde. Aldehyde. Now CH2O निकाल दो, same. Then CH3, carbon is there, this carbon has one more CH3, it is connected with two bonds, CH C double bond OH. Yes, you can see this is the question number 1, product number 1. What is there here? Just like ketone type, then isopropyl type is there. It is aldehyde and isopropyl type is there, means all are different. You can write IUPAC name for this all 4 compounds. IUPAC name you can write, all 4 are different. This is the second product, third product and fourth product. Okay, very simple method, just you have to remove only water molecule. Water molecule में hydrogens always released from alpha position, from alpha hydrogen, then oxygen is obviously from carbonyl. Okay, you can write like this. This is called crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol condensation, we are getting total 4 products. Okay, you can pause this video and you can write your own, then you can check it. Next, this is aldol condensation, already we discussed. First formation of carbene ion, then combination of carbene ion with other aldehyde molecules. We are getting beta hydroxy. This is the mechanism, already I explained you. See, this carbene ion is attacking on another carbonyl position. Then O minus, this O minus alkoxide ion is less stable than OH minus. This water is giving H plus, so it is forming alcohol. This is only known as aldol. This product is known as aldol, beta hydroxy aldehyde. This is the common name is aldol. That's why this reaction name is aldol condensation. Condensation. What is the condensation? Condensation means a smaller molecule like H2O, NH3, HCl. If smaller molecules are releasing from the main substance, those reactions are called condensation reaction. Condensation. Okay. Here this H2O is releasing, here hydrogen and H2O, OH releasing as H2O, so this is also known as condensation reaction. Aldol condensation is possible between 2 aldehydes, 2 ketones, 1 aldehyde and 1 ketone also. Then different carbonyl compounds are there, those are known as mixed or crossed aldol condensation. It is very important, maximum many times they ask in the NEET as well, JEE mains as well in the board exams. So name, this is the crotonaldehyde, is the common name. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, that is the general name. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4. So butanol, I will write it here. Total 4 carbons, but, ene is there, ene position is second position, but 2 ene 1 all, 1 all. Okay, but 2 ene 1 all. Then crossed aldol, already we discussed. Next, some more reactions you can discuss here. Intramolecular aldol condensation. Intramolecular means within the molecule condensation. See here, OH minus, in case of aldehyde and OH minus is there means 100% either it may be Cannizzaro hoga, Cannizzaro or aldol. So alpha hydrogen is there means aldol, alpha hydrogen not there means Cannizzaro. Okay, this is the main hint point. Now basic medium is given, carbonyl is there, so alpha hydrogen also is there, so obviously aldol condensation. Now where this hydrogen is living, see carbon ion, here carbon ion and this carbon ion, this is the unstable carbon ion क्योंकि secondary. We know that carbon ion कब stable होता है, primary is more stable than carbon ion of secondary than tertiary. Okay, tertiary carbon ion, primary carbon ion is more stable, so that's why primary carbon ion is forming. Here it is not forming. This C minus, it is acting as a nucleophile, then it will attack on this carbon. This pi bond is going to oxygen O minus. Okay, so in between here ring जैसा formation हो रहा है, you can see here ring formation. Then from the water molecule it will take the H, OH बन गया. Then if you heat, alpha beta unsaturated, you can see here alpha beta unsaturated. This is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. Okay, this type of reaction is there, that is known as intramolecular aldol condensation. Next, see this type of reaction is there, just you have to remove only water molecule here from two hydrogens, that is your product. Next, Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation, it is similar to aldol condensation only. The difference is here in the reactant. Mechanism is aldol condensation type. See here we are taking ester. When two molecules of ester undergo condensation reaction, the reaction is called Claisen condensation. अभी तक aldehyde था, aldehyde है तो क्या था वो aldol condensation, aldehyde है तो aldol. अभी esters है, esters undergoing Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation mechanism is same. Mechanism क्या है, final product I will write it here. This is alpha position, this is the alpha position, here two hydrogens are there. Okay, these two hydrogens and this same compound here, alpha position active hydrogen and this alcohol ethoxide is releasing as ethyl alcohol, just it is adding here. To avoid the confusion, I am giving here numbering 1, 2, 3. This one also I am giving the number here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. See, the first one is, this is the 1 dash carbon, it is a 2 dash carbon, this is the 3 dash carbon. See, 2 dash carbon is connected with 1. 2 dash carbon is connected with 1, 2, 3. Now you can understand easily. In between 2 dash and 1 carbon, 2 dash and 1 carbon, the new bond formation is there. This ethyl alcohol left as ethyl alcohol. The ethyl oxide, ethoxide. This ethoxide is left as ethyl alcohol. Okay, that's why we are taking here sodium ethoxide is the reagent. Okay, that's very simple, similar to aldol condensation. In the aldol condensation, what we did, these two hydrogens and this oxygen, we removed that as H2O and we made double bond. But here we are removing ethyl alcohol from alpha position, hydrogen and ethoxide, that is forming ethyl alcohol is the byproduct. After nucleophilic attack, the aldol condensation and the Claisen condensation differ. In the Claisen condensation, the negatively charged oxygen reforms the carbon-oxygen pi bond and eliminates the OR group. Here OR group is eliminating. That is only difference. Same like aldol, mixed aldol, crossed aldol is there. Here also crossed Claisen condensation or mixed Claisen condensation. इसमें क्या है, two different esters are present. two different esters are present. Now, which carbene ion is forming? Obviously here there is no alpha hydrogens, there is no alpha hydrogen. Obviously here is the alpha carbon, beta carbon, gamma carbon. Here this hydrogen is living due to this base, strong base is there. So carbene ion is forming here. This carbene ion is forming. So that means this carbene ion is attacking on the carbonyl position. Then this pi bond is shifted to oxygen, O minus. In the next step, O minus is coming back. O minus is coming back. This pura group, this group is living. This group is living. So you can see here benzene C double bond O is there as it is. I am giving to avoid the confusion here. See, this is the one carbon. Sorry, here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. The second carbon is attacking here. That means this is the second carbon, this is the first carbon, third carbon and fourth carbon. सी ये कंपाउंड पूरा एज इट इज है फर्स्ट कंपाउंड, इसमें से सिर्फ एक हाइड्रोजन निकल गया, ठीक है. दिस हाइड्रोजन लेफ्ट, देन कार्बन आयन बन गया था. दिस कार्बन आयन इज अटैकिंग देयर. ओके, सो सिंपली यू कैन थिंक लाइक दैट. ये 1 2 इथॉक्साइड एंड अल्कोहल, दिस इज फॉर्मिंग एज इथाइल अल्कोहल, ऐसा भी यू कैन रिमूव. Okay, ethoxide plus hydrogen, ethyl alcohol is the byproduct. Ethyl alcohol is the byproduct. Next, intramolecular Claisen condensation is similar to intramolecular aldol condensation. See here, alpha position, this is also alpha position, this is also alpha position. You can take any one because both terminals are same. So here carbene ion is forming, this carbene ion forming, this is attacking here. So I will give you simple method, just we have to remove methyl alcohol. Yes, methyl alcohol कैसे, अल्फा पोजीशन से एक हाइड्रोजन ले लो, ठीक है. ये मिथॉक्साइड प्लस हाइड्रोजन, मिथाइल अल्कोहल निकाल दो. अभी 1 and 5, बिटवीन 1 and 5 न्यू बॉन्ड इज फॉर्मिंग. 1 and 5 न्यू बॉन्ड इज फॉर्मिंग. This is the new bond. Okay, so similarly here I am taking here, this is the alpha position, here one hydrogen is there, this hydrogen and ठीक है, I can take this hydrogen here, ठीक है. You can take any hydrogen, both are same, but here already this above upside functional loop as it is there, that's why I am taking this one. So this hydrogen and this methoxide, just you remove it, then you can see the numbering here. That means here new bond is forming. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1 and 6. This is the C double bond O carbon is 1. This is the 6 carbon. If you take this is a 7, it is a 7. Okay, 1 and 6 के बीच में new bond formation is there. Okay, what we are doing, just we are removing one methyl alcohol, one methoxide is one position, and alpha position से one hydrogen we are removing. That is only. Okay, very simple. Claisen condensation में 3 types we discussed. Crossed Claisen condensation, intramolecular and normal. Next, Perkin reaction. See mechanism again here also same mechanism, similar mechanism. Then reactants are different. In the Perkin reaction, condensation has been effected between aromatic aldehydes and aliphatic acid anhydride. Okay, in the presence of sodium or potassium salts of acid corresponding to the anhydride to yield alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acids. See 3 conditions. One is, the first condition is aromatic aldehyde. The second thing is aliphatic acid anhydride. The third thing is, here we are taking anhydride relevant salt we are taking, carboxylic acid salt we are taking. Okay, see here, the first point is benzaldehyde, second point is anhydride. This anhydride kya tha? Acetic anhydride. Here we are taking the salt acetic sodium acetate, we are taking sodium acetate, we are taking O minus Na plus. Here there is no bond between oxygen and sodium. Okay, three conditions. One is aromatic aldehyde, the other one is aliphatic anhydride, the third one is anhydride relevant salt we are taking. Then simple, the final product लिखना बहुत easy है. क्या लिखना है? देखो इधर, I am writing here C6H5 CHO, aldehyde लिखा था मैं. दूसरा I am writing this salt CH3 C double bond O minus Na plus. बस अभी भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकालना है. टुडे क्लास कंप्लीट जस्ट रिमूविंग वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ओनली, वो भी फ्रॉम अल्फा पोजीशन. ये अल्फा पोजीशन होता है. ओके, अल्फा पोजीशन से 2 हाइड्रोजन एंड दिस ऑक्सीजन. देन दिस इज योर फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. यू कैन सी C6H5 CH double bond CH C double bond O minus Na plus. Okay, if you take acidic medium, then carboxylic acid you will get it, otherwise salt you will get it. Okay, we are taking acetic anhydride and this sodium acetate, so you will get carboxylic acid. But see here, next here, this is the aldehyde. So from this aldehyde double bond O, and from this sodium acetate 2 hydrogens. I am writing here sodium acetate का formula CH3 C double bond O Na. Okay, from this 2 hydrogens we are removing H2O. You can see the double bond is forming between acetate and this furan. So 3 alpha furyl acrylic acid we are getting. Suppose here there is no aldehyde. In this case, this is considered as a C double bond O aldehyde. Again here this CH3 C double bond O Na, water molecule is removing, from this it is forming toluyl acetic acid. Toluic anhydride is toluyl acetic acid. Knob-Najl reaction, it is similar to aldol condensation only, but reactants are different. The condensation of aldehydes and ketones with compounds having active methylene group in the presence of basic catalyst, which are bases generally pyridine, piperidine, primary, secondary, tertiary amines, aniline, कोई भी ले सकते हैं. Okay, the main thing is here aldehyde and ketones, active methylene groups are. Active methylene groups means whenever alpha position already we discussed in the aldol condensation, this is the active hydrogen only. Okay, active hydrogen. Active methylene group means CH2 group is the methylene group. If CH2 alpha positions means next positions, if C double bond O group is there like this, this methylene group is known as active methylene group. These hydrogens are active hydrogens. These hydrogens are known as active hydrogen. That methylene group is active methylene group. Then the mechanism is very simple, just you have to remove water molecule. Today total class में सिर्फ removing water molecule, only one thing, H2O निकाल दो, ठीक है. So you are getting this one. So here after getting this, by hydrolysis क्या होगा, ester, you know that very well, ester becomes carboxylic acid, HOH. Here also HOH, 2 carboxylic acid. Then 2 carboxylic acids on same carbon. In the last class also we discussed two carboxylic acids are there on the same carbon, by heating immediately carbon dioxide is releasing, decarboxylation takes place. Okay, so here decarboxylation takes place. This is the forming cinnamic acid plus active methylene
I am
group.
taking
Active
one
methylene
example,
group means
benzaldehyde
CH2, if it is attached
plus
with two C double bond O groups, this is active methylene group, a star mark. So what to do in the presence of basic medium? Just removing water molecule, PH CH double bond O, C COO ethyl and COO ethyl. Right, this much you can understand easily. Here minus water molecule. Now next step we are doing hydrolysis. Hydrolysis we are doing. Okay, H3O plus hydrolysis. Hydrolysis में ester becomes carboxylic acid. Ester becomes carboxylic acid. So I am writing here PHCH double bond C COOH and COOH. केमिस्ट्री में वो जनरल रूल्स कुछ होता है. On same carbon 2 OH groups are there, one water molecule is removing. On same carbon 2 COOH groups are there, one CO2 will be released by heating. So here this CO2 is releasing, then PHCH double bond CHCOOH. Okay, this is the final product. This name is known as cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid. Otherwise alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Then again if you take the IUPAC name 1 2 3 3 phenyl prop 2-ene oic acid. I will write here total 3 carbons are there, that's why prop ene is there, prop 2-ene oic acid. one oic जरूरत नहीं, oic acid prop 2-ene oic acid. This third position phenyl is there, that's why the substitution 3 phenyl prop 2-ene oic acid. Okay, you can see this one. Next, Reformatsky reaction.